While the recession has dealt a punishing blow to most companies, there are some exceptions. Rick's Cabaret may be one of them. Its stock price up 90% year to date. It's tripled since its March low. Sue Keenan has been following that story. Sue?
Free passes, one special.
Welcome to Rick's Cabaret, where the lunch special is $10 and Escape from Reality is served up as the main course.
You're faced with the trials and tribulations of today's economy. I mean, that's a heavy weight on your shoulders. You come in here and it's lifted.
Unlike many businesses still struggling with sagging sales, Rick's has found creative ways to shore up its bottom line, cutting drink prices and cover charges at many of its 18 clubs and seducing a wider audience through aggressive advertising. Manhattan's rival adult clubs are also raising their profile. After a shaky start to the year, business at Rick's is booming.
You know, they say sex sells, and I think so. In a way, this industry just, what it is, it's almost like an art. It's going to do well, whatever's going on with the economy.
Stacy, a former biology student, says she chose this profession because cash is always king. So is the customer. Out-of-work Wall Streeters find they are still treated like masters of the universe.
Whether they're working or not, we still welcome them in because they've been so good to us in the past. We remember that. They're not yesterday's news because they might be temporarily out of work.
Out-of-work patrons especially might appreciate the only fixed commodity in this business, unchanged by either inflation or recession, the lap dance.
The dance was $20 when I started. I believe the dance was $20 before I got into the business, and today it's still $20. It's a bargain at any time.
Who knew? A bargain. Now another sign that Rick's offers an escape from Wall Street woes. A female former analyst recently rebranded herself, so to speak, as a Rick's dancer after last year's layoffs and says she's making more money as a dancer than she did on Wall Street.
So the tips are still strong, even though the traders have less cash to spend, possibly?
Absolutely. They are appealing to a thriftier customer in much greater number. And let's take a look at the escape from poor returns. Those skin stocks, they're all doing well. The adult nightclub owners like Rick's and VCG, along with Playboy and a pay-per-view company, in the green. And they report earnings in 2 weeks. Margaret.
I think it's called escapism. Thanks so much, Sue.